Imagine, in the final days of World War II, sworn enemies becoming unexpected allies. In May 1945, Americans and Germans found themselves defending Castle Itter, deep in the Austrian Alps. The castle, an unlikely battleground, housed high-profile French prisoners of war, including former prime ministers and generals. As Allied forces approached, a group of Wehrmacht soldiers, led by Major Josef Gangl, chose honor over allegiance to the crumbling Nazi regime. Joining forces with Lieutenant Jack Lee and his American troops, they prepared for an onslaught by die-hard SS units intent on recapturing the castle. Despite language barriers and past hostilities, the two groups forged a remarkable and brief alliance. The French prisoners, armed themselves, stood ready alongside their protectors. The battle was fierce, and the odds were stacked against them. Yet, in an extraordinary display of bravery and unity, they repelled the SS assault. This rare moment of cooperation between enemies serves as a powerful reminder that in the face of tyranny, humanity can find common ground.